Hi guys, welcome back on tip of the day. So today's tip is for anyone who is suffering from a bad stomach ache, or you had some heavy food at night, you had fast food, oily food or whatever, in the morning you have problem with your bowel. So what you need to do is that overnight, when you're planning that you have a party at home or you're going to have something heavy, what you need to do is that soak some about like 2 tablespoons or at least 1.5 tablespoon of chia seeds in a water, and early morning before even you brush your teeth, as soon as you wake up, like boil 1 liter of hot water and put it on the chia seeds that you have soaked it. Add, squeeze like half a lemon onto it or a lime to it, and then maybe 1 teaspoon of honey. You could skip honey, but honey actually also helps in cleaning the bowel very nicely. Drink this 1 liter of water like as soon as you wake up in the morning, and then you will see that you'll have a clean bowel and you'll have your day refreshed again in the morning. I hope you like the tip of the day. So if you have liked this tip of the day, don't forget to share, give me a thumbs up, and if you have not subscribed to our channel, do subscribe, like and share, and I'll see you tomorrow with a new tip. Till then, bye bye and take care.